Students, so now previous classes completed example number 33 and one formula derived the exactly two sets. So use that formula and solve example number 34. Example number 34. 34 is a college awarded 38 medals in football. So suppose F is the set of number of football awards. So here number of F given 38, 15 basketball, number of B given 15, 20 cricket, number of C given 20. If these medals went to a total of 58 men, total 58 men. So what is the 58? Total 58 men given. If these medals went to a total of 58 men, that is number of F union B union C is equal to 58. Total given 58. And only 3 men got medal in all medals. That is number of F intersection B intersection C is equal to 3. How many received medal in exactly 2 of these 3 sports? Number of medals exactly 2. So numbers of medal in exactly 2 is equal to previous class में फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. क्या था फॉर्मूला? exactly 2 is equal to number of F intersection B plus number of B intersection C plus number of C intersection F exactly 2. Number of C intersection F minus 3 into number of F intersection B intersection C. This is the formula of number of medals exactly 2. Here 3 medals given: football, basketball and cricket. So only number of medals exactly 2, that is medals football or basketball, basketball and cricket exactly 2, that is cricket and football. So this is the formula exactly 2. This value is given. So for number of medals exactly 2, find the value first, this whole number. So since call it 1, this call it 1. Since number of F union B union C is equal to number of F plus number of B plus number of C minus number of F intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of C intersection F and plus number of F intersection B intersection C. This is a formula. Put all the values. So number of F union B union C given 58, number of F given 38, number of B given 15, number of C given 20, and here this one is find. So taking minus common, same right, number of F intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of C intersection F plus this value is given the intersection, that is 3. So simplify, this negative term taking left side becomes plus. So number of F intersection B plus number of B intersection C plus number of C intersection F is equal to, add these 3 values. So first these 3 add, so 25 plus 8, 8 plus 5 13, plus 3 also 16, 6 carry 1, 3 4 4 3 7, and this term taking right side, so minus 58. Now subtract 16 minus 8, that is 8, and 6, that is 1. So this is the value of intersection. Now find number of medals exactly 2. So first imply number of medals exactly 2 is equal to, first put these values. So this value is 18. So 18 minus 3 into, and intersection is 3. So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. So number of medals exactly 2 is equal to 9. Now miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Question number 2 का first part. Question 2 is, in each of the following determine whether the statement is true or false. If it is true, prove it. If it is false, give an example. So first you check a statement true or false. If true, then prove it. If false, then give an example. So a statement is X belongs to A and A belongs to B. Then X belongs to B. X belong in A and A belong in B. X is the element of A belong in B, then X belongs to B. A statement is false. Why? So example is, let A is equal to 1 2, and since A belongs to B, so suppose set B is equal to A 3 and 4, because A belongs to set B. Capital A is the element of set B. So set B, suppose A 3 4, that is, this can also written A means curly bracket closed 1 2 3 4. This is set B. Question is, how many elements of this set B? Only 3 elements. This is a 1 element, second and third. That is, this whole is 1 element, not 1 2 individual. 1 2 combined form is a 1 element. This is second element, this is third element. So this 1 not belongs to B, since 1 belongs to set A. Here 1 belongs to set A, but this 1 does not belong in set B, because 1 is not a individual element. 1 2 दोनों combined form है. So this statement is false. second statement given, if A subset B and B belongs to C, then A belongs to C. A is the subset, means every element of set A belong in B, and B belong in C. That is, B is the element of set C, and given A is the subset of set B, then check that A belongs to C. What is the statement? True or false? Check karo aap. Imagine this statement, true or false. Every element of set A belong in B, and B is the element of C, then A belongs to C. This also statement is false, because example is A equal to, suppose, AB, and A subset B, that is every element of A belong in B. So suppose B is equal to A, B, C. Since A subset B, because every element of set A belong in set B, and here C is set such that B belongs to C. That is, set C is B, capital B, suppose D and E. There are three elements in set B. So this, set C. So this set C can also written set B. Set B that is A, B, C, D, E. There are three elements in set C. Question is, A belongs to set A. No any element in A. Set C having three elements, B, D, E. This A does not belong to set C. Since A does not belong to set C, B belong to set B, D belong to set B, E belong to set E. A does not belong to set E. This is one element. A, B, C is a one element. So this statement also false. Next, third part. Now read question. What is third? And you guess it. Statement true or false. Check it. Question number third. Third given, A subset B. If A subset B and B subset C, then A subset C. Check that. Which type of this statement? True or false? This is true statement. True. If it is true, then prove it. If false, then give an example. So it is true statement. So here given A subset B and B subset C, then show that A subset C. A subset C means every element of set A belong in set C. So let X be any element of set A, any element. Let X be any element in set A. Here show that A subset B, A subset C. A subset C means every element of set A belong in C, and here X belong in set A, and given A subset B means every element of set A belong in B. So this implies that X belong in set B, since A is the subset of B. Also B is the subset of C, that is every element of set B belong in C, and X belong in B. This implies X belong in C, since B is the subset of C. This is a subset and this is set C. This is a subset and this set C. B is the subset of C. Here X belong in C, Now what is X? Since X belong in set A, and this imply that X belong in set C. So therefore set A is the subset of set C. Proved. So this is true statement. So this is third part. Similarly fourth, one more part I discuss. Fourth given, if A is not subset of B and B is not subset of C, then A is not subset of C. A is not subset of B. B is not subset of C. A is not subset B, that is every element of A does not belong in B, and every element of B does not belong in C, then A does not subset C. This statement is also false, because example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 also, and set B is equal to 2, 3, 5. So A is not subset B and B is not subset C, then C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Since 1 belongs to set A, but 1 does not belong in set B, therefore A is not subset of set B. A not subset. And since this 5 belong in set B, 5 belong in set B, but 5 does not belong to C, and 5 does not belong to C, therefore B is also not subset C. But every element of set A belong in C, every element of set A, but A subset C, because every element of A belong in C, but here then A not subset C. This is false. So it is a false statement. This is example, and discuss remaining two questions, that is fifth and sixth part. So now question number 3, I think same discuss question number 3. Question number 3 is A, B, C be 3 sets such that A union B is equal to A union C and A intersection B is equal to A intersection C, then so that B is equal to C. तो आप इसे ट्राई कर सकते हो. B इक्वल टू C के लिए क्या प्रूफ करना होगा? फॉर B इक्वल टू C, हाफ व्हाट आई डिस्कस. फॉर B इक्वल टू C, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 is given A union B is equal to A union C and A intersection B is equal to A intersection C, then so that B is equal to C. So first suppose that X be any element of set A here, so that B subset C, that is B is equal to C, that is so that B subset C and C subset B. So first let X be any element of set B, then so that X belong in C. Since X belongs to B, this imply X belongs to A union B, because B is the subset of A union B. Every element of B belong in A union B, and this imply X belongs to A union B. This imply X belongs to A union C, because A union B is equal to given A union C. and X belongs to A union C, so that X belongs to either A or C. So this implies that X belongs to A or X belongs to C. So if X belongs to A, suppose if X belongs to A and X belongs to B and X belongs to B also, so therefore X belongs to A intersection B, because X belong in both the sets, and A intersection B is equal to given. So this implies X belongs to A intersection C, because given A intersection B is equal to A intersection C, and X belongs to A intersection C, this implies X must belong in C, or both case X belongs to C. So if X belongs to A, then also X belongs to C. And what is the element X? Since X belongs to B and that X belongs to C, therefore B is the subset of C. आप similarly अब C में एलिमेंट सपोज करेंगे, कॉल इट 1. नाउ सपोज नाउ लेट Y बिलोंग्स टू C. अब ये C में एलिमेंट सपोज करेंगे एंड सिमिलरली सो दैट C सबसेट B. अब ये डिस्कस करोगे एंड एक्सरसाइज मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन होमवर्क आप ये ट्राई करोगे. ओके.